Children, Sai Ram, welcome back after your first unit test. Now, in today's class, we are going to start new chapter. Okay, chapter 5 multiplication part 1. Now, multiplying a 3-digit number. Okay, in this chapter, you are going to learn multiplying any 3-digit number by 1-digit number and by a 2-digit number. Now, for example, I'll show you. 1 dozen bananas is 12 bananas. How many are 8 dozen? Means in 1 dozen there are 12 bananas. How many bananas will be there in 8 dozen? When you take, you tell the shopkeeper, give me 1 dozen bananas. So how many bananas you will get in 1 dozen? 12. So how many bananas will come in? 8 dozens. That you have to find out. Now, we are going to do multiplication. For this answer, we are going to use which operation? Multiplication. But we are not going to do simple multiplication. We are going to solve the answer by using which method? Lattice method. Okay. For this, what you have to do? Now, 1 dozen means 12 bananas. So, first you have to show the breakup of 12. Now, how you are going to show the breakup here? 12. Now, 2 is in units place and 1 is in tens place. How you are going to break up 12 now? 10 plus 2. Right? So, after drawing this column, how you are going to write it? First, you have to put the sign of multiply. Then, which number will come? First, you will write the breakup now of 12. So, you will write 10 in one column, 2 in the next column, and you have to find the how many bananas? 8 dozen, right? 8 dozen. How many bananas are going to come in 8 dozen? So, you will write 8 down. After writing down, what you are going to do now? You have to multiply. You have to multiply first 10 with 8. Okay, 10 eights are, how much you will get? 80. That you will write answer in the down column. Okay, then you will multiply 2 with 8. 2 eights are, how much it is? 16. So, what answer you got after multiplying 10 by 8 and 2 by 8? 80 and 16. What you are going to do? You are going to draw another column and then you are going to add these numbers. Now, how you are going to write these numbers? 80 plus 16, right? Now, you will add 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. Now, what answer you got? 96, right? Now, your answer is 8 dozen bananas means 96 bananas. What is your answer, children? 8 dozen bananas means 96 bananas. Okay? Now we are going to solve other sums using the same method. That is, multiply the following. We are going to use lattice method. Now see your first question. 53 multiplied by 8. Now how you are going to show the breakup of 53? Yes. Yes. 50 plus 3, because 5 is in tens place, 3 is in units place. So now after drawing the column, you are going to write the breakup in one column. So first column, what you are going to write? 50. Second column, 3. And down what you will write? 53 is multiplying by what? 8. So down you will write 8. Now how you are going to show the multiplication? See, 5 8s are. First you can use simple method. You cannot take 50 together. If you know, you can do orally. Okay, or you can take one number. 5 8s are 40 and the other 0 will come down. So what you will get? 50 multiplied by 8. Yes, you will get 4 100. That is 5 8s are 40 and down you can bring the 0. So 400. Now you can multiply 3 8s are. Say table of 3. 3 8s are how much you will get? 24. Now you are going to write these two numbers there in the other column and add it. Okay. So you will write 400 plus 24. Now what you will get? 0 plus 4? 4. 0 plus 2? 2. And other 4 will come down. So what is your answer? 424. So you will write 400 plus 24 equal to 424. This is your answer. Okay. Now we will do second sum. 25 multiplied by 7. Here also you are going to show the breakup of 25. Now again 5 is in units place, 2 is in tens place. So how you will write? 20 plus 5. Very good. Now again you will draw the column. First you will put multiplication sign and then you will write both the numbers in one column. So first column 20, other column 5 and 7 will come down. Okay. After writing this you will start multiply. Okay. Now 20 multiply by 7. If you don't know table of 20, you can take single digit number like 2 sevens are. 2 sevens are is how much? You know it is 8. Then you can bring that 0 down. So what will be your answer? 140. Very good children. 7 fives are or 5 sevens are. What is the answer? 35. Very good. So after writing 140, 35, what you will do? You are going to take this number in the other column and add. Okay. So you will write 140 plus 35. Now you have to add it. Now 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. And bring that 1 down. Very good. What you got? 175. So your answer is 140 plus 35 equal to 175. This is the way how you are going to do the sum. Now we will do other third question. 45 multiplied by 6. Okay. Now here also you have to see units. 5 is in units place. 4 is in tens place. Here also for all the numbers you have to write the breakup and then you have to multiply using lattice method. Okay. So what will be the breakup of 45? Yes, 40 plus 5. Now you are going to bring this one number down and write. So first column what will come? 40. Second column 5. And down what you will write? 6. Very good. Now you have to multiply 40 and 5 with what? 6, right? So you will take one number. Again 40 table. If you don't know, you can take 4 table. 4 6. 4 6 is how much? 24. And then you have to bring that 0 down, right? So what will be your answer, children? 40 multiplied by 6. Answer is yes, 240. What is your answer, children? 240. Very good. Now you will take 5 and 6. You have to multiply 5 by 6. Table of 5 you have to say 5 6 is how much? Think and tell me the answer. 5 6 30. Right? So you got 240 and 30. What you are going to do? You are going to take these two numbers in the next column and you are going to add it. Right? So you will write 240 plus 30. Very good. After writing, now you are going to add the numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 3, 7. And you will bring that 2 down. Okay. So, what answer you got? 270. That is 270. So, your answer is 240 plus 30 equal to 270. I repeat, what is your answer? 240 plus 30 equal to 270. Understood, children? This is the way you have to find the answer. First you have to multiply, then you have to add, and then you have to write the answer. Okay? Now we will see fourth question. What is the question? 56 multiply by 6. What is the question? 56 multiply by 6. Now here again 6 is in units place and 5 is in tens place. So how you will write the breakup of 56? 50 plus 6. Now down you will draw the column. Okay. You will put multiplication sign and then the breakup you have to write in one breakup of this number you have to write in one column. So what will come in the first column? 50, right? And second column what you are going to write? 6. And down which number will come? 6. Very good. This is very important. You should write correctly. If you write in a wrong way other numbers, then your answer will also come wrong. So 56 and down 6 will come, and now you have to multiply. Now 50 table you don't know, right? As I told you, you can take one digit. 5 table you know, right? 5 6 how much it is? 30. Okay. And then the 0 is also there with 5, right? So that 0 you have to bring it down. This is easy way to do the multiplication which I am showing you. Okay. So 5 6 are 30 and you can bring that 0 down. So what will be your answer? Yes, your answer is what? 300. Very good. Now you have to multiply 6 by 6. 6 into 6. 6 6 are, say everyone knows table of 6, isn't it? Yes, your answer will be 36. So you got 336. Now what you are going to do? You are going to write these two numbers in the other column and add. Okay. So you will write 300 plus 36. Very good. Now you are going to add 6 plus 0. Okay. 0 plus 3. And you have to bring that 3 down. So what is your answer? 336. So you will write 300 plus 36 equal to 336. So this is your answer, children. Now fifth question. 41 multiply by 4. Now here also you have to show the breakup of 41. So how you are going to show the breakup of 41? Yes, 40 plus 1. Very good. Now you are going to write in column. Which first column, which number will come? 40. Other column? 1. And down what you are going to write? 4. Very good. Okay. After writing this, okay, 41 and 4, you have to multiply. Now what you will do? First you will multiply 40 with 4 and then 1 with 4. Now 4 4s is how much? 16, right? You will bring that 0 down. So what answer you will get? Yes, you will get 160. Now you have to multiply 1 with 4. 1 fours are 4. Right? Now you can write 160 and 4 in the other column and add. 160 plus 4. What will be your answer? 0 plus 4? 4. Now 6 will come down. Again 1 will come down. So you got how much? 164. So your answer is 160 plus 4 equal to 164. So this is the way how you have to do lattice method sums. Okay, multiplication sums using lattice method. Now children, you have to learn everyday tables. Okay, make a habit of learning tables from 2 to 20 every day, because we are going to do multiplication division in other chapter. After multiplication division will come, and for all these chapters you should know tables by heart. Understood? Every day sit and learn tables from 2 to 20, and we are going to continue with the same chapter in the next class. Thank you children.